image of the skin in the slide. The skin has epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, that is a subcutaneous layer. If we use a face wash, it cleanses the epidermis layer, that is the first layer. Second layer, which is dermis, itself has 7 layers in it. Our gel cleanser cleanses up to third layer of dermis. And Artistry brand is suitable for all types of skin, including the sensitive skin. It is a unisex range of product, dermatologically tested and allergy tested. Hence, this brand of products are best suited skincare products for anyone. Okay. Artistry has introduced a range of product called as Essentials, which it is a specifically developed range for today's fast-paced life. Everyone is so busy in their life, like the doctors, working men and women, housewife. No one has the time to take care of their skin in a daily basis. So this helps us to keep our skin good and has easy to follow skincare routine, which is very quick, convenient, and effective. That is why we say 3 minutes to great skin. Okay, you must be thinking why I have put nature's goodness in this picture in this slide. Let us see in the next slide what it means. The hero ingredient used in essential range of products is acerola cherry, which is an antioxidant and a very high source of vitamin C content. It protects the skin from free radical damage and hence the packaging is also green in color, which represents the hero ingredient acerola cherry. This essential range is enriched with botanical ingredients from Nutrilite Farms, which is our own certified farms. It gives a special touch to each product, and hence nature's goodness is what I had mentioned previously. Okay. Now, we have in skincare daily and weekly regimes. Under the daily regime, we have gel cleanser and lotion. First, let us see gel cleanser. The key ingredient used in this is cucumber. It refreshes the skin. It gives a cooling, soothing effect on the skin. This gel cleanser is a sulfate-free, soap-free formulation. It has a 2-in-1 formula which deep cleanses and tones the skin in a single step, which makes the skincare regime quick, as I mentioned previously. This is a water-based oil-free gel which deep cleanses the skin. It is a light foaming cleanser which removes the impurities, makeup, clogged pores, dirt, etc. The aloe vera and meadowsweet liquorized present here helps smoothen the skin and acts as an anti-irritant, which makes suitable for any kind of sensitive skin person also to use. It maintains the natural skin pH level. 5.5, what is required as the natural pH level, is well maintained in our gel cleanser formulation. Next, we have light lotion. The key ingredient used is chamomile. This calms and soothes the skin. That is why it is being used. It has a rich antioxidant property which protects the skin. It provides a long-lasting hydration to the skin as it contains cucumber and glycerin as one of their ingredients as well. The light lotion will not contain any sun protection, and hence we'll have to apply an external sun protection cream. Whereas the next product what we have is a multi-protect lotion. It also hydrates the skin. It absorbs easily into the skin, leaving no residue on the face. It is having sun protection of SPF 30 and has a PA++ formulation. This formulation protects the skin from damaging. The UV rays and UVB rays are extremely harmful, which is damaging on the skin. That can be protected using multi-protect lotion, which has inbuilt SPF in it. Now, we are done with the daily skincare regime. Once we have to cleanse our face and later apply the lotion. And we are done. That is very quick and effective. That is why the slogan says 3 minutes for great skin. Next, in the weekly skincare regime, we have polishing scrub. Polishing scrub is a gel based with mild and gentle exfoliating jojoba beads. The key ingredient is jojoba beads, which deep cleanses, exfoliates the dead skins, which in turn improves the skin texture and the skin tone. Because of this deep cleansing property, it makes the skin appear radiant, bright, and clear. The excess oil which is produced because of the excess sebum secretion can also be reduced using a scrub, which avoids the shining effect on the face and makes the skin radiant and bright clear. So next we have under the weekly skincare regime as the creamy massage. This is the key ingredient used is avocado. Avocado itself is a rich moisturizing agent that has been incorporated in this. It is non-comedogenic, that is, it doesn't clog the pores. The pores on the skin also breathe. That won't be clogged using a creamy massage. This creamy massage restores the radiance to the tired skin and makes the skin feel soft, silky, smooth, and moisturized. Around 5 minutes in a week, if you could spend on your scrubbing and 3-4 minutes on your massaging of your skin, it improves the blood circulation and relaxes your skin, which in turn calms your mind as well. So next, we have moisture intense mask. This mask comes under the weekly regime, but we don't have it in the essential range. This helps the skin to restore the moisture, and it mainly focuses on maintaining the hydration throughout the day. It improves the skin texture, smoothens it, and keeps the skin soft and supple. It has a special hydrolipid matrix present, which avoids the skin from drying. This is dermatologically tested and allergy tested as well. Let us see the pricing of the products. Gel cleanser, light lotion, multi-protect, polishing, that is the daily care, polishing scrub, creamy massage, and the mask that comes into the weekly care. The MRP and the DAPs are mentioned in the screen. Since we'll have to use a small amount on our face, the product lasts for a very long time as well, which makes the product economic, effective, and easy and convenient to use. So thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thanks, Swati Varun. It was a great, clear-cut explanation about artistry. எல்லா ப்ராடக்ட் பத்தியும் ரொம்ப clear. So sorry. Thanks, Swati.